Today I will show you step by step how you can create a questionnaire survey on Google Forms. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Google Forms. So once we're on Google Forms, we can start off with a blank form. If you prefer to get a template, you can click on any of these right here, but it probably will be easier to start with a blank form. Once we open up a blank form, as you can see, we've got a question here at the top. I will just name this YouTube tutorial. And then from here, what we now need to do is we can go to the right hand side, click on where it says multiple choice, and you can choose different options right here. So for example, if we've got multiple choice, you can add option 1. This can be yes. You can add another option right here. This could be no. Again, if we want to add another option, come to the right hand side, click on add question, and here is where we can now change a couple of things. So for example, if we go to where it says multiple choice, click on this. You can then go ahead and use a short answer, a paragraph. You can also use checkboxes and things like this. So for example, if we want to capture an email, just click on short answer. You can then put in their email, and then the person filling out the form will be able to enter in their email into this box. If we click on it again to add another question, if we go to multiple choice, you can add a short answer, a paragraph, checkboxes, or whatever you like. So if we've got a box up here with an email in and it's not letting you move this, what we can do is head over to settings. We can scroll down to form defaults, click on the drop down menu. It will now say collect email addresses by default. Click on this drop down and then you can select do not collect, which will remove the default box. If you want to see your responses from anyone filling out your form questionnaire, we can go to the top, click on responses. And here is where you will now see all of your responses. You'll see the number at the top, and any responses made, you will be located at the bottom. From here, you can select publish. And then once you do this, you will then be able to copy a link to post this wherever you like for people to fill out your form. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a form. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.